Welcome to Sachino's YouTube channel. Today we'll be discussing about algebraic simplification, but to narrow it down, we will discuss about the product of A plus B and C plus D. Now let's get down to business. So if we are asked to expand, let's go. If you are asked to expand and simplify this, now let's take the first question. If you are given something like this, x minus y, and we are also given something like p plus q. So how are we going to solve this question? First of all, we take this x, we use it to multiply everything we see here. Now watch out. So this is what will happen. Take the x, use it to multiply the p plus q. That's the system. Then the next thing again is to pick up the y and use it to multiply the same p plus q. Now watch out. That's minus y into what now? P plus q. So let's go there. So we use the x times p. We have it to be px. Alphabetical order. Don't forget. X times q. We have it to be qs. Q comes before x. The negative, don't forget, negative times positive, we have negative. Y times p, we have a py. Then the last one is negative times this positive here. Then definitely we are going to have negative. Then y times q, then we have it to be qy. When I check round, when I check everything, I notice that there is no like terms here, and that definitely is the answer to that question. So we have to leave it like that. Now let's move on to the second question. So if we are asked to simplify this, now let's go. If you are given x plus 5, okay, into brackets what now? X minus 8. So if you are given something like this, so let's go. Let me draw my line. So let's move. So this time around, we still use the same x to multiply by all these value here, which is x minus 8. So watch out. So let's go. So we now have it to be x into bracket. We have x minus 8. Then the next thing to use is plus 5 to multiply by x minus 8. So let's move on. So what next again? X times x, we have it to be x squared. Now minus x times 8. You can see that will surely give us 8x. Then plus 5 times x, we have it to be 5x. Then plus this positive sign here times the negative, we still have it to be negative. Then 5 times 8, we have it to be 40. Then I notice here now that these two are like terms. So let's join them together. So what we have here is x squared minus 8x plus 5x. We are going to have negative. Then this is what? Actually 3x, then negative 40. And that is actually the answer to that question. Now let's move on again to the C part of the question. So let's say we are given 5a plus 2d. Let's pick up this. Into bracket, let me pick 3a minus 8d. We repeat the same experiment again. So we use the 5a, let's go. 5a to multiply the 3a minus 8d. That's the system. So please let that style stick to the memory. So here will be plus 2d. Then use it to multiply by 3a minus 8d. So we have 3a minus 8d. So we move on. So let me go to the next line. Okay, so we have it like this. Let's move. So let's go on. 5a times 3a. Now 3 times 5 will surely give us 15. Then a times a, we have it to be a squared. So we have it to be 15a squared. Minus, don't forget, 8 times 5 will be 40. 8 times z will be ad. So we have it to be 40 ad. So let's move on again. Plus 2d times 3a. Watch out. So this eventually will give us 6 ad. Let's go. Now this one again, positive times negative, we have it to be negative. Then 2 times 8, we have it to be 16. Then d times d, we have it to be d squared. So this actually will give me 16d squared. So let's move on. Where are the like terms? You can see this one contains AD, this one also AD. So they are both like terms. So we need to add and subtract where necessary. Let's see. This is minus 40 plus 6. Then we are going to have minus 34. So let's move on. So this one becomes 15 a squared, then minus, this is 34 AD, then minus 16d squared. And actually this is definitely the answer to that question. Now let's move on again to the last question. Okay, let's say D. So we now have it to be something like this. Let's say if we are given 2x minus 5y. So let me square this time around. This is how you solve this type of question. It means this square means that you should write it twice. So this is how you present it. Watch out. 2x minus 5y. Then you write it again, 2x minus 5y. You duplicate it twice. So in this case again, I'll repeat the same experiment again by writing 2x first into 2x minus 5y. Then the next thing again is minus 5y into bracket 2x minus 5y. Okay. So 2x times 2x, we have it to be 4x squared. 4x squared. Then 2 times 5, we have it to be 10. So let's go. This is negative 10xy. Then this one again is also 10xy. So minus times this negative sign here, we still, please don't forget that, we still give us positive. Then actually, let's move. So 5 times 5, we have it to be 25. Y times y, we have it to be y squared. So let's go to the other side. Let's move on. So in this case again, we have it to become, let's go. What is 4x squared minus 10xy minus 10xy plus 25y squared? The negative 10xy and the other 10xy, they are what now? Like terms. So we have to add them together. Let's go. So 4x squared minus, this is 20xy, then plus, then this is 25y squared. And that is definitely the answer to that question. So without wasting much time, let me give an assignment. So this is your homework. So assignment. So I would like you to drop your comments, your answers to these questions. So if you're asked to expand the following, let me write it out. This time around, I'm going to give only 3 questions. Expand the following and simplify. So the first question goes like this. If you're asked to simplify this, 2a plus 3b into 5a minus 2b. Let's go on again. The B question. If you are given something like this, this is m plus 4n. Then you square it. Remember, this one, you need to write it twice. You duplicate it twice. Don't forget. Let's go. So the third question again here will be, let me put it down. This is x minus 6. And the last one here will be x minus 4. So thank you very much and God bless. And please share this video with friends who need help in mathematics. And please check out for the next video in the series for more advanced math concepts. Please like and also what now? Subscribe for more math tutorial. God bless you. We meet in the next video.